Creative Home Life, we're going to take a simple envelope and turn it into a cute little bookmark for your kids. My kids constantly lose their bookmarks, and I thought this was a really neat way to make a bunch of them really cheap, and if they lose them, it's not a big deal. So let's get started. First, you're just going to need an envelope from your junk mailbox or just a plain white envelope. And all we need is the corner off of it. So we're just going to take our ruler and we're just going to cut a corner piece, marking it just so it's even. And then just cutting it with scissors. So now we have just a pocket of the envelope. And next we need duct tape, and there are so many different designs and colors and different things out there. I think we'll use this sparkly purple one right now. This has a really fun chevron design on it. So all we need is to rip 2 pieces off to cover each side of the triangle. So take your triangle and set the edge right against the bottom of the duct tape. You can trim it later if you need to. And then we're just going to take a second piece over the top, just to cover up the whole thing, like so. And then take your scissors around where you can see the triangle, cutting right up to it. And you can make any trims on the bottom if you need to, if there's any tape at the bottom. Right. And then you're left with this cute little pocket that we can then take our book. When they're all done reading for the night or for the day, they just take their little corner and they pop it right on their book. And they're all set. And again, these are super affordable. You can make bunches of them, and if they lose them, it's not a big deal. I hope you enjoyed this quick craft tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Home Life for all of our latest videos. Give this video a thumbs up so we know that you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.